Hi, in this lecture we will try to learn about React Native app lifecycle. As you can see in the diagram, I arrange a lifecycle for Android and iOS parallel to each other to understand what actually happening, because we know that Flutter, React Native and Xamarin, b- these three platforms are non-native framework development. And in this lecture I will show you one example of life cycle as well. Okay, so you can see only there are three new stages are introduced by the React Native development framework: mounting, updating and unmounting. It's like a same thing, like a on resume view will appear. Okay, and then updating is a new state introduced by the framework, and unmounting it's just like a on pause view will appear. Okay, so these two states will be initiated after these methods. Okay, let's see code example. Here I have a app.js file. I will explain everything how this code will work, what is the architecture in the hello world example, but right now the only thing is I am interested here to tell you about life cycle of React Native application. So as soon I already compiled this, I have installed React Native, and after initiating and creating the application through React Native framework, I will run this command React Native run iOS. Okay, as soon I will run, you will see here the application will load building the app, and the command line start showing building the app, and then it will just load the application in simulator. Okay, I was testing here a different scenario. If I click or, it will reload the application. Okay, so see, as soon the application start showing, we see that there are a few logs start coming out: constructor, get derived state from props, and component did mount, okay, we have here console.log child1 component did mount. This method will call when the application start showing the view here. It's like a on resume. Okay, then we have a should component update, and we have another method called render is the method where you will write your actually view code. As we see in Flutter, there was a method called build. Okay, so some of other bunch of code here, and let's see if I click again, and let me show you. Okay, the logs you will see in the command prompt here. Okay, I will click on sample app and R. I press the R. Okay, with this terminal window you can press D to open the developer menu. Okay, where you can debug the application, and by pressing R you can start actually reloading the application. So this is the little bit about life cycle of the React Native app development. So all you need to remember that React Native give you a few state where you can also control the life cycle of the activity or vController in development framework. Okay, so now our last topic will be about Xamarin app development life cycle, and see you in next lecture.